Today's math question comes from this Math Practice Workbook. If you would like to follow along, it is problem number 1 on page 10. If you would like to purchase this workbook, I found it on Amazon, and you can find a link to it in the description below. I have an interesting math problem to solve here today. Let's look at the question. The set of possible values of n is -2, +1, and +4. What is the set of possible values of m if 3m equals n minus 7? And we have 4 choices to choose from. The first step here is to solve for m. Doing this first makes working with the equation a little easier and much faster to complete. In order to solve for m, I will isolate the variable by dividing by 3 on each side of the equation. The 3's will cancel each other out, leaving just the m. And then I'll bring down the fraction of n minus 7 over 3. So m equals n minus 7 over 3. And I can use this simplified equation to find the possible values of m. To do this, I will use substitution. And I will substitute the given possible values of n into the equation. I'll begin by substituting -2 in place of n. Now I'm ready to solve for m by combining -2 and -7 in the numerator to get -9, and I'll bring down the +3. Since -9 over +3 is an improper fraction, I will simplify it by dividing -9 by +3 to get -3. And now I'm going to look over at my choices to see if this -3 is an option. And I do see it here at choices B, C, and D. So I need to keep going. But first, I just want to review what I mean by substitution. It is actually a mathematical property that states if you know the value of a given variable, you can replace the variable with that known value. This property is what allows me to replace the n with the different values in the given set. I'm reviewing this with you because I know many people find using substitution a little confusing. Do you? Leave me a comment. I'd love to hear what you think about using this property. So now moving on to the next value in the set, I'll substitute the +1 in place of n. I'll simplify the numerator by combining +1 and -7 to get -6, and I'll bring down the denominator of 3. After simplifying -6/3 by using division, m will equal -2. Looking again at my choices, I see that -2 only appears in choice D. So I'm feeling pretty confident now that my final answer will be choice D. But it's never a bad thing to check your answer. So I'm going to substitute one last time using the +4 in place of n. Now simplifying the numerator, I'll combine +4 with -7 to get -3, and I'll bring down the denominator of 3 as well. The last step is to simplify this improper fraction by dividing -3 by +3 to get -1. And you can see -1 here in choice D. So now you should feel very confident that choice D is the correct answer. And there you have it. By substituting the given values of n into the equation, we determined that the set of possible values for m is -3, -2, and -1. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more math tutorials and problem-solving videos, because confidence in math equals success.